This video shows how to change the permissions on your app. So in this app I had to add the permission for the contacts and to read and write contacts, and you will find the permissions when you go to the Android app. Here you take the Android project selection, and then you find the app manifests, Android manifest. There's a big block on the here. There's a big block at the beginning, and you may type there opening tag. Then you type users, and as soon as you type users, you will find users and then the tab key, and then you may take all the other stuff. Like here I had to also add the read contacts. And then you need the closing. Either you type a closing tag like this one, or you take the short way like this one. Now I already had included that stuff here, and you have to write all those permissions in each one in one line. So it's not allowed to write it like this one, multiple stuff. Just always type the because there's always Android name is always the same attribute there. Always a line, one line for this one for that, one for that. So, and one special aspect on this stuff is when you save that, when you run your project, then if you run it here on a debug mode, performing full build install the Android. Yeah, I changed the Android manifest here, and now when this one is running, stuff comes up. So sometimes the machine doesn't upload those changings in the permissions. So what you have to do then is you have to edit either the version, or you have to run at the clean project and rebuild that stuff. So clean it and rebuild it, and if this still even doesn't work, then you have to change the version or something like this to make a real new stuff in your application, because I did it several times here, and still always the permission was not accepted. So when you want to change that stuff, the version or something like a key element, then go to the app, and here you have open module settings, and go here to flavor and change the version. Even then the system will pack all that stuff to a new package again and upload it to your debug app. And what you also see here is a small little flash symbol, which shows that they changed something something in the settings. So when we run this again, this one should be uploaded then again, and the flash should go away. Okay, so this one runs now, and you may take all that stuff, and if you liked it, make please a subscription.